This art technique begins on a PLEXIGEL enhancement that has a minimum of 1 cured layer of shaper. Use a tweezer to place and press gold metal square nail jewels into the uncured gel. Fully cure on button 2B. Rim the squares using a detailed brush for shaper, and then cure. Apply CND shellac in Video Violet in the center of the nail jewel with a detail brush. Fully cure on button 2S. Apply a layer of shaper to encase the nail jewel and cure. Remove the top film with 99% IPA. Refine the shape of the nail using a 180 grit file. Remove dust with 99% IPA. Apply protector top coat. Cure on button 3. Remove the top film with 99% IPA.